In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Claude AI History. Whether you're tidying up old chats, removing sensitive prompts, or just starting fresh, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can clean up your conversations quickly and confidently. First, open Claude AI in your browser or the app. Make sure you're signed into the account that holds the conversations you want to remove. If the app has been open for a while, a quick refresh can help ensure the menu options appear correctly and everything loads as expected. Next, look to the sidebar and find the area labeled Chats or Recents. This list shows your conversation threads in order, with the most recent at the top. Scroll as needed and locate the specific chat you want to remove, taking a moment to confirm the title so you don't delete the wrong one. Click that conversation to open it. Opening the chat is important because the delete option you need will appear within the conversation view. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right thread by scanning the messages and making sure it's the one you intend to remove. If you're managing several similar threads, double-checking here can save you from accidentally deleting something you want to keep. Now, move to the top of the conversation window and click the conversation name or title bar. This header usually contains the chat title and may include an icon for additional options. Clicking it will reveal a small menu with management actions for that specific conversation, so you can make changes directly from here. From that menu, choose Delete. When you select Delete, Claude will remove the entire conversation from your history. Depending on your device, you may be asked to confirm the deletion. If prompted, approve it to finish. Once it's gone, you'll be returned to your list, and that chat will no longer appear. Repeat these same steps for any other chats you want to clear. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the menu after clicking the title bar, try clicking the three-dot icon in the header, or refresh the page and try again. On mobile, the options may be tucked under a drop-down in the top corner, but the process is the same. Deleting is typically permanent, so consider saving any important content elsewhere before you remove a chat. That's all there is to it. Open Claude, find your chat in the sidebar, open it, click the header, and hit delete. With this, you can keep your workspace organized and your history focused on what matters most.